Hey, I made it. I'm here for IC school, and I just want to point something out. Look, it's all of Milwaukee. I'm on a bus. We're gonna go to Okay, I found this green chair and this painting. And I just think it'd be neat if anyone could tell me where this is, because maybe you've been here. Thanks. We did it. We made it all the way back from lunch, and there was a lot of doubt. They sent us to floor 1, and we almost died. Is that right, Daniel?
Yeah, that's pretty right.
But we lived, so.
We almost died.
They work. I'm on a smoke break. Oh, I can't zoom in this mode. Let me change modes. Wow. What a time to be alive. I kind of see the moon in front of the sun. What a change. That's so sad. I'm done with my smoke break. I'm going back to class. Yay.
Floor 8.
We're on the way back home. We're gonna go do homework. Let's go. I got one done. Okay. It's the start of day 2 for IC school. It's like 7:20, and I might miss the bus. My thoughts thus far. Yeah, it's pretty good. I made it to the bus. Seatbelt for safety. Okay, so Rockwell has a bunch of buildings built on top of each other, and it's just kind of neat. This says floor 4P, but I think when we go through this door, well, 1, the background changes, but 2, now all of a sudden we're on floor 3. That's really cool. Yeah, anyway, I just wanted to share that. We made it back to floor 4. At the back of the class, these chairs with this weird stain. It's just a thing. Hey, look, I found the clock tower. And all of Milwaukee. Okay, breaking news. There's a clock tower over there. But also, there's one over there. Ah. That one's not as cool, it's digital. No one told me they'd have 2. That's pretty neat. This is what we did in IC school. Behold, I can push this button and it changes the lights. And I can push this button and it also changes the lights. Can you guess what this button's gonna do? Ah! My favorite part is right here. That thing, nope. That thing right there is my favorite little... It's connected. It's good. No one's been shocked yet. Here at IC school we've got weigh-ins to do, so that's pretty neat. I think I'm somewhere around here. That's 200, and then what? Oh, okay. 235 apparently. Let's see tomorrow. Behold, I found a bad sign. Safe floor load 100 pounds per square foot. This area through the bays. Okay, so if these tiles, well, they're not even a foot, but like I can stand almost entirely in one, and I weigh a little more than 100 pounds, so that could be pretty bad. Like, am I just gonna fall? Ah! Yay! I made it through day 2. I'm still alive. It was okay. It was fine. I don't know, I guess, what else I was expecting, other than for it to feel like school, and that's exactly what it feels like. So, that's interesting. Good morning. For day 3, I decided to walk. I just crossed over a river of some kind. This feels like a great start to the day. The sun's gonna come up eventually, and that's also like a cool looking bridge that trains go on, so I'm ecstatic about that. Anyway, I made it to the pier, and now I get to head all the way over to Rockwell. There it is, off in the distance. I'm ecstatic about my life choices always. I'm at floor 8. I didn't walk up all these. I did use the elevator to go up to 7, and now I walked up the last flight. This is a cool thing that I did while at IC school. I made all the paper airplane sizes that I could. Today is the day that we get to go to the top of the clock tower. I am super stoked for that. It's gonna be great. We're gonna get to see all of Milwaukee. Okay, I'm gonna test my airplanes and throw them that way. This is the ranking. This one's the best. I'm gonna retry. Maybe once. After lunch, weigh in. How much do I weigh? More than 200. Less than 240. More than 230. Yeah, sure, I'd buy that. I think I've decided that this one is my favorite. Look, it's actually all of Milwaukee. Behold, it's more of Milwaukee. That has got to be the worst clock I've ever seen. Wow. Water. Without that, I'd die. Look, right over there. That was where we were this morning. I made it through Wednesday. Yay. Super glad. No, actually what I care about is this. Look at this. It's my whole life. Isn't that so cool? Good morning. I'm leaving the hotel. I'm gonna take the bus today. It's Thursday as well. This bus we're taking today is way different. Look, the seats. The seats are made out of fake leather. Oh, and remember, seatbelt for safety. An update about what we did in lab is we wired stuff up, and now you can press this button and it activates that thing, and this turns on. Isn't that so cool? But if you press the stop button, it stays off, or if you have it in off and you press start, it doesn't work. Yay! Wow, what a great way to start the last day. Driving, parking, and now we get to take a final test. Yay! I love tests. Some floors have restricted areas or doors. So you don't go in those, obviously. But I've been like taking the stairs the whole week, and one of the instructors just stopped me and said, "Hey, you gotta stop it. We got a report from security that there's random people running up and down stairs." It scared me, but he said it was a joke, and I believe him. And, you know, I'm able to run upstairs right now. It hurts, but I can do it. And they say use it or lose it, so. Going downstairs is significantly easier than going upstairs. 10 out of 10. I passed the final exam, so I guess I'm done with IC school. Super great, super helpful. I give 10 out of 10. Thanks. Oh, look at that. It's Rockwell automation.